Hey out there, this is Technolocaust. I'm actually wanting some hot dogs, so I wrap one in tinfoil and I do a lot of camping and say, hey, you know what? Middle of winter, I got a nice hot coal bed. Why wouldn't I just cook in my wood stove? Just Hotblast. I like to do winter camping as well, so again, you know, this is the Hotblast. You could cook on this like you would any normal fire. That's a hot dog. And wrap the tinfoil, chuck in the hot coals. This is warming my house. Why not let the energy go to waste? I mean, no point in letting it happen. So I think next will be potatoes. Alright, this is the finished product of the cooking with the, I don't know if I'm going to need that. Oh yeah, nice and roasted. Again, as long as you have coals, you can really be efficient. I mean, you can cook your food, you can do silly things, but I chose to do this, and so anytime I'm longing for campfire food, I guess I can just go downstairs to my wood furnace and chuck some food in it. Ooh, very hot. Alright, Technolocaust out.